You feel the question coming, your boss, your friend, your family member, and before they even finish speaking, your stomach tightens. You know what you want to say. No, but a different word comes out. Yes. That feeling, that horrible, sinking feeling of agreeing to something you don't have the time, the energy, or the desire to do. It's a form of self-betrayal, and you do it over and over. This isn't a character flaw, and it is not kindness. It is a program. It is an automatic survival response. It is the fawn response in action. The fawn response is a defense mechanism learned in childhood. It's the script that taught you, to be safe, I must be what others want me to be. I must be agreeable. I must be helpful. I must not have any needs of my own. So, when someone asks something of you, the part of your brain that is supposed to check in with your needs is bypassed. The automatic program takes over because it believes that saying no is dangerous. What is it so afraid of? It's afraid of conflict. It's afraid of disappointing someone. It's afraid of being seen as selfish or difficult. But beneath all of that, it is terrified of abandonment. The old wiring, your inner programming, screams that if you say no, you will be rejected. You will be left alone. So you say yes, just to make sure they'll stay. You become the reliable one, the good friend, the team player. You wear the mask of the person who can handle everything. But you are not handling it. You are absorbing it. And the cost of this is enormous. The first cost is resentment. You say yes with a smile, but you feel a growing, quiet anger. An anger at them for asking, and an anger at yourself for agreeing. The second cost is burnout. Your energy is a finite resource, and you are giving it all away. You are left empty with nothing for yourself. You feel exhausted because your no is buried under the weight of everyone else's yes. The third and most devastating cost is the loss of your authentic self. If you never say no to what you dislike, how can you ever say yes to what you love? Your life becomes a collection of other people's priorities. You become a supporting character in everyone else's story, and the main character in no one's, not even your own. Your true self is buried, silenced by the need to be accepted. This is the prison of the fawn response. All the yes you have said over your lifetime makes up the bars. It is a prison you built to keep yourself safe, and now it is the very thing that is keeping you trapped. So, how do you break out? You cannot fight the program head on. It is too strong, too automatic. You must find the pause. The pause is the single second of freedom between their request and your automatic response. It is the moment where you can catch the program running. In that 1 second, you don't have to say no. You just have to not say yes. You can say, I need to check my schedule. Or, let me think about that and get back to you. This simple act, this delay, is a revolution. It is you, the programmer, stepping back to the control panel. It gives your authentic self a moment to breathe, to find its voice. You are reclaiming the space to choose. The first time you finally say no, it will feel terrifying. Your old wiring will scream that you are doing something wrong, that you are being bad or selfish. But no is not an act of aggression. It is an act of honesty. A no to them is a yes to you. It is a boundary. And a boundary is not a wall to keep people out. It is the line that defines where you end and they begin. It is the line that proves your authentic self actually exists. This is the work. To unbox the fawn response is to learn that your value is not based on what you do for others. Your value is inherent. If you are ready to stop being a people pleaser and start being a person, then subscribe and let's continue the work.